Hai berawak Khasi and pen fikum no filaban na eye makeup la da fidan kikmat berit sedang nakaba prep biki eyelids hangne ngata do concealer filaban penan kam do concealer la ne do eye primer. This is gonna help your eye makeup stay longer but utu eyeshadow ba fita ru un pau bha but se sedru do powder ba unum crease. And penan kam na kene ka eyeshadow palette na pa Moira Beauty is definitely one of my favorites pangan penan kam kini ki brown shades. La da fidan kikmat berit u blending brush yang piru di ban red la new di ban long tapered kandiat. Lingkong ayang unpick your new shade bakam light and this will be my transition color. La da fidan hooded eyes la ne kikmat berit the fita eye makeup kam tam you transition color make sure fi play beki kikmat this a place you to eyeshadow ha socket jang kikmat jang pi on the crease area. Next on shim so new light brown shade banganta uni on the outer corner of her eyes. Bangan blend uni wrong towards the center of her eyes. Blend bahak nang bunum dan any harsh lines but uni wrong uday ban blend nang ba utu wrong ba fita ningkong uday ban long kum ba fade from dark to light. We have a visitor. Say hi to Rico. The next on shim new dark brown shade but yo ning and blend very close to the lash line on the outer corner. Kani ka sheer up and add more definition to the eyes but make sure that if you blend uni wrong what num blend should wrong crease na marbingi ko abakan long smoky effect penan kam do to jo brown eyeshadow hapo lower lash blend kandian ba haki eyelids ngan shimuni shimmer shade fila banta do matte shade ru kumuni urang la ne uni urang tangan ta do new shimmer shade na penan kam do flat shade brush na maru pick up higher product mangata uni tang hapo inner corner towards the center of the eyelid hagatuka area bang khlamta eyeshadow. Next kan penan kam do concealer ban clean out the key edges kanya kaya rabru ban pen ilong lifted iki khamat kandiat dala adapta eyeshadow ta su mascara haki lashes lada fidan ki khamat bered avoid ban ta kajal ne liner namar unsa pen irit shu iki khamat jong pi shuta tang u eyeshadow but mascara ru labyang but the fika ban add a little bit more drama to the eyes fila ban apply false eyelashes and this is the difference with and without lashes. The next ban cover you to lash band ngapanan kam do kajal ngashim you to kajal hey brush bered kumne fila ban shuta directly then if you ban shim who brush bered but that ban come long more precise. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. So share ru but keep a lot of feel and dan keep mat bered. Bye.